Hey, what's up, y'all? YouTube got a 2017 Audi A4. We're doing brakes and rotors, and thought I'd give y'all a quick tutorial. So, first thing, you got these caps that go on top of the lug nuts. So I just take like a pick, a 90-degree pick, yank those out. The lugs are 17 millimeters. It's 5 of those. Then you got a star bit for the rotor. I like to spray a little PV blast in there, a little lubrication. And that star bit is a T27. If it'll focus, there you go, T27. Okay, all right, that's the first thing I like to do. Next order of operation, you got this clip that goes inside the back of the caliper. So you just knock that out. My weapon of choice are these two guys. Then right after you do that, what I like to do, go ahead and take out both of your caliper bolts. These are 22s, 21s. What you got there? What you got there? It's 21. It's a 21 millimeter. And both of those are right back here on the back. You know where they at. Got one right there. Got another one up here. Okay. Take those out. Now that it's loose and you can wiggle it, right? You're gonna take your prop bar. Little one, big one, don't matter. You're gonna come between, right, the brake pad and the rotor. And you're gonna pull it this way, right? As hard as you can. That's how you're gonna compress that piston right there without using a piston tool. Then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side, right between the rotor and the brake pad. Pull it real hard like that. But then you're gonna take another one. You're gonna do both of them at the same time. So you're gonna put one right there and hold it. Then you're gonna take the other one, the big one, and then do both at the same time. Right? And now because when you compress one piston, the other one gonna go back in. So you're gonna keep doing it, you know, fighting it all day. You gotta do both at the same time. And you get both pistons compressed like that. Real quick. Then you wanna pull this out very carefully. If it's not damaged, usually you have to replace these. The wear indicator, it looked like it got hit. Is your brake wear indicator light on the dash?
Whole thing, it hasn't came on.
Okay, so we might be able to salvage this. So I'm gonna just pull it out like that. Yeah, looks like it might be okay. Set it to the side, and we're gonna reuse that one. And these should just pop out, just like that. Push them in, just like that. See, pistons already compressed. That's a quick brake job right there. But you know we got to get these rotors out too, because that's what. A couple of hits with the hammer, bam. You're almost done. All you gotta do, put the rotor in. Put your star bit back in gently. Don't put that shit in there hard, because it's gonna rust. You ain't gonna be able to get it out next time. Put your brake pads, slide them in there. Let's get some parts here. Okay, guys. Here's your star bit, your T27. Remember, just not too tight. Not too tight. Now, I already took out the old pads. All you gotta do, you just push them in right here on these little buttons. They come right out. Now going back in, they gotta be the right ones. So you got arrows, right? So this is the direction, the forward direction of the tire. So it's gonna go up because it's going this way, right? So that's how this goes in here. Now one's big and one's small. Okay, so that you can't really mess it up, because you know the big one and the small one, they won't fit in the holes. Now to get it in, you see those clips, you got to pull it forward on the top. So on the top, push the clips back. Just make sure that you might have to push the clips back some. Hold on. Let me stay right now. Sorry, it's a little shaky. Man, I got my other. Maybe it's better. That's what I did on the other side. If you really get into trouble, you could, blow one of the clips away. If it really, got in the way, if it was messed up. Okay. There you go. I had to struggle with that a little bit. It's just the. Let's go ahead. Show you something. So, the problem here, you see these clips. It's got to go forward, right? And then fit right in here, and then forward here. But you got to wrestle with it a little bit sometimes. Now, this we're gonna try to reinstall. Bam. Now, moment of truth. Look at that. We already got it compressed, man. Now, let's say you wasn't clever enough to figure out using the prop bars. Old school way, right? You got brake pad spreaders like this would work. You got I got a bunch of brake pad spreaders. Well, I think they're in the van though. I think my other pad spreaders on the van. Oh well. Well, you get the, you know what I'm talking about, the brake pad spreaders. And you just I usually leave the brake pads in there, the old ones, so that I don't have to stretch out my tool too much. And don't forget to put your bolts in there, right? And then don't forget to put your clip. Yeah. And that's it, man. That's all it is. I was a little confused when I first saw this. It's my first time doing these. I mean, they're kind of like the Toyota joints. Lexus Toyotas. Oh. Okay. Where is leg clip? Put that in there. Bow bow. You might have to hit that. I'm gonna tap it with a hammer right there. There you go. There you go. Just nudge it. Okay, bolt those down. We good to go. So this 2017 Audi A4 Quattro. So front brakes and bumpers. The easy way.